Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Tomcat Stitchery. I'm Whitney and I'm a very freshly scrubbed faced Whitney because I have something exciting that just happened. And I have a dog. I have a dog that just realized that I was no longer upstairs. There she is. Okay, so I just received my Sew Over It, hold on one second. Sorry. I just received my Sew Over It fabric box, and I've also been cleaning my house all day, and it was delivered while I was in the shower, and I am so excited to open it, but I wanted to do it on camera, and so that's why I'm in a Stella, a Tilly and the Button Stella hoodie, and my face and my hair is wet. I threw it back real quick, but yeah, there's absolutely nothing on my face. My hair is like air dried, what it is right now. So anyway, I just wanted to open this because I really want to see what's in it. So I'm going to tell you the whole, my whole experience with the Sew Over It fabric club. So this was my first month to do it, and I picked the knit box, and I believe it was, you get 2 cuts of fabric, some thread, well, we'll see. But I think it was 2 cuts of fabric, maybe one that was 2.5 meters and one that was 2 meters, something like that. I think the woven box, you get like a 3 or a 3.5 meter something and then a 2 meter something. But anyway, if this all goes well, I think I'm going to try that one next just so I can give you guys a little update, and I'm going to do an unboxing. But anyway, I ordered this on, so they did their open enrollment where you can sign up for the box between the 1st and the 7th, I believe, of the beginning of the month. And I signed up on the 4th, and then on the 7th it closes, and then I think they get all the orders ready. And then on the 7th, so yes, so I'm looking at all this on my computer. So I ordered it on the 4th, and then on the 17th I got an email from Sew Over It saying that they were having issues with the fabric that they had chosen, so it didn't come in when it was supposed to, kind of type thing. And they were very, very quick that, yes, the fabric club box was going to be a little bit delayed because one of the fabrics has been lost in transit. So their supplier was going to send more stock. But anyway, the email said they're sorry to have to pass this delay on to you, and by way of an apology, we'll be popping an extra surprise in your January box. So I'm excited to see what that is. I don't know what that is. So that was on the 17th, and then I got an email on the 22nd that it had shipped. So that was just 5 days later. So they must have gotten what they needed to get or whatever. And then it shipped on the 22nd, and today's the 29th, and it just arrived. So it took a week, 7 days to get from the UK to me, which is not bad, really. Especially because we had, well, no, we didn't. That was the 21st, Martin Luther King Day. I was going to say that might have thrown off shipping, but no. This would be from a Tuesday to a Tuesday. So yeah, so I think a week, shipping-wise, like that was really good. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Okay, first of all, it came wrapped in this lovely lilac, keep my lovely lilac packaging here as far as the box. And I've got scissors, and I've got a dog sitting very close to me right now. So again, this was the knit box while I'm opening this up, and because I'm an international shipping, obviously, it was 61.5 euros, I believe, was the total. And you could pay a little extra for tracking on your package, but I didn't. I did the less expensive one. So yes, so this package cost me $61.50, which I think in dollars came to like 80 bucks maybe. But $11.50 of that, I think the box is 50 euros, I think. And then shipping for international would have been like an extra, which actually an extra $11.50 euros is not horrible, I feel like, for international shipping. I think I paid like $18 for shipping from Canada last time. So, yeah, it took the price up to $61.50. So, let's see what I've got in here. Let me show you the box. So cute. Got their little sticker on it. Okay. Okay, so I'm opening this up, and I'm going to try and show you guys. And here's the little packaging in here. So we've got the fabric that's wrapped up in the Sew Over It wrapping. And we've got this little bag here that is filled with, oh, candy. I mean, I can't eat any of this because of my food allergies, but look at all that. Sweets. So that's very exciting. My kids will love that. Oh my gosh, they're like old-fashioned ones too. Oh, that's fun. My kids are gonna love that. And I would have loved that for food allergies, stupid food allergies. And then we've got this other little bag here. I think this is the surprise. So it includes, I'll show you the fabric here, but it includes thread to match, and it's Gutermann thread, it's good thread. I'm pretty sure it's Gutermann. It looks just like yes, it's Gutermann thread to match the project, so that's fun and exciting. And then I think this was the special prize. Oh my gosh, this is silk. Look at that, silk ribbon. Isn't that gorgeous? And the backside is even gorgeous. What am I gonna do with that? I don't know. That feels like silk ribbon though. That is gorgeous. And I have probably a meter of it, I would assume. Oh, you guys have to let me know what to do with that. That is very pretty. And I think that's probably my consolation here. Okay, so the fabrics. Okay, so this one is like a crepe jersey. And I don't have, there's nothing in here that well, hold on, I say that, maybe there is. Oh wait, hold on. Here's the little thing here. Okay, yeah. So here is this little card that's in here for the fabric card. And then on the back, they have a whole bunch of, it tells you what you've got in here, and then some ideas, excuse me, how much you've got, and then some ideas on what you should do with it. So this is, okay, so kits, so you get 2 meters of the burgundy marl stretch knit. It says this gorgeous color will see you through winter to spring. How about a cozy Thea dress or a super soft heather dress? And that is, oh my gosh, that is this one, and it does. And I have 2 meters of this, it says. Oh, this is lovely. It's like, isn't that pretty? It is really soft. It almost has a chenille feel to it on one side. It's almost like a really, really thin French terry, almost. But it has like a really soft, like almost chenille feel to it. Like, oh yeah, this, and 2 meters of it, that's plenty for a knit dress. It's got, you know, a little bit of drape to it, but yeah, super snuggly. I love that. And, I mean, if I actually had makeup on, I like this color, this wine color. And again, they sent the thread to match. So isn't that handy? So that is that one, 2 meters of that. And then it says the second one, and I think this is probably the one that didn't come. So it says 1.5 meters of midnight Breton weight lightweight jersey. No wardrobe is complete without a Breton top. Use your new midnight Breton lightweight jersey to sew up a Molly top to have your hands on an instant classic. And I have 1.5 meters of this, but this is not a Breton stripe. So my guess is that this was what they did because they couldn't get it. Which is fine. This is gorgeous. So this is like a crepe jersey. I need to set this box on the floor. A crepe. But it's got the palm leaves all over it. Isn't that gorgeous? And I love those colors too. Let's see. So they sent this with green, which is kind of fun to go with the green leaves. Sorry, my autofocus is struggling to... So yeah, and so it's the Jersey crepe, so it's got a little bit of a texture to it. But actually, I can get a lot of stuff out of 1.5 meters. Like I can get a full dress, like a wrap dress would be really pretty in this because it's very drapey. And depending on how full the skirt is, sometimes I can make that happen. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be great for spring. Okay, so there we go. So even though I think that was the wrong fabric, I did get this gorgeous, I mean, this just feels like heaven. Like this really, it's silk. This is really pretty. Let me know what you guys think I should do with this. Like a trim of some sort, like I don't know, on a jacket. Actually, hold on. Okay, I wanted to go grab, sitting on a dog, grab this. So I bought this remnant. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. This remnant, I think it's 1.5 yards of this like boucle. But see how it has like the neon colors in it? I've had this in my stash forever, but it's got like the neon orange, it's got neon yellow, neon green, and then just like these other colors. There we go. And again, it's like a boucle, but it's pretty thin though. So, I don't know. I kind of thought like a Chanel style, like a cropped jacket. But I don't know. Is that too much going on there? Maybe. It's just that the colors with the bright orange and bright green, that may be too much though. Yeah, I'm thinking that's too much. Anyway. It just made me think of that fabric, so I thought I would show it to you. This is literally in a bucket to become like a cropped jacket. And I think I even have the seam work, what is it, the Liliana, I think, jacket pattern in there with it. And I've had this for, I mean, a few years now. I've had this fabric. And it just has never become anything. But anyway. Okay, my thoughts on the Fabric Club box. So, 80 bucks. And I got 3.5 meters of fabric that included shipping. I got 2 spools of thread. And I'm not going to count this just because this was like the bonus because I had to wait. So I don't know. So let's see. You're looking at like 3.5. I got 3.5 meters of fabric. So at $20 a meter, and I'm talking US dollars now. I've kind of done a little bit of conversion there. At $20 a yard, you would be at $70, which is expensive for Jersey. $20 a yard. I don't have a lot of, I don't know. I don't usually buy, sometimes some of my jerseys could be up to 15 to 20. I mean, it's not like astronomical, but I don't know. I think it's probably the conversion from euros or from, not euros, from pounds to dollars. I may have been saying euros this whole time. I meant pounds. I know that. So over it's the UK and that's the Great British Pound. But it may be a little bit more of the conversion rate that kind of sticks us a little bit here in the US. And then of course shipping because we're over here. But I'm going to try the woven box, I think, maybe for the February one, just because I'm curious to see what that's like. And again, I think you get 3.5 and 2. So you get 5.5. I'm almost positive that's what it is. 5.5 meters of fabric. And I think she does like a drapey one, like a crepe, for one maybe. And then like a lawn, something a little more like more body or whatever for the other one. They're finer ones because there's a cotton box too that I think is more like quilting cotton type stuff. But yeah, I'm interested in the woven box. It's more expensive, obviously. You're getting more fabric. But yeah, I think I may try that just to kind of see. Because again, shipping was just a week. That's how long it took to get here. And I love what I got. I mean, those are gorgeous. I would buy those. I would have picked those out and bought those. And it's fun to have a little surprise. And especially when it's stuff that I would wear anyway. So I think I will give the woven box a chance. And yeah, so that's kind of what that's about. If you were curious about the sew over at Fabric Club Fabric Club box. That was January's box for the knit box. So yeah, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Sorry about, I was just so excited to share it with you that I literally hopped out of the shower, threw my hair back, and set up the camera. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. I should have a Dawn lookbook for you on Friday, so that's exciting. I'm also waiting on some fabric from Minerva Crafts that I think should be here any day. But I may just do like a little, I may just throw that in at the end of a video. I doubt I do an actual video for that fabric haul, but that's another UK-based fabric store that I've been looking at and been interested in, and actually I think I'm going to start doing some blogging for them, so become part of their blogger network, so that's going to be kind of an interesting collaboration moving forward. But yeah, someone had asked about fabric and about if I could talk a little bit more about fabric, about pairing different fabrics with patterns and that kind of thing, which I would love to do. I could talk about fabric literally all day long. So I'll probably do a call out later on maybe some specific fabric questions that you might have that I could maybe address, and almost like a Q&A, a fabric Q&A, where we could kind of just go over fabric and what certain terms mean and how to, yeah, how to buy online, how to buy fabric online, and how to read the descriptions and to know what that's telling you. So yeah, so I'll do a call out for questions on that on another video, but be looking for that in the future as well. So that's all I have for today. Again, sorry for the disheveled appearance, but you know, whatever, it's real life, right? And I was just really excited to open this up. So I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you on Friday.